Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lynett and it's a tourism channel where we talk about tourism, travel, all those amazing things. So last week I had a chance to go to Ismyls kitchen and at the bakery. I got to see how he makes his cakes. I got to see how he decorates those beautiful donuts, the cupcakes as we're celebrating 4 years of his existence. It was a beautiful experience. We got to chat more. I got to learn more how to bake cakes. But if you like this content, feel free to subscribe over there. Let me know in the comment section, have you baked before? Would you like to bake? And enjoy this video. Have fun! Yeah, so we looked at different materials he uses. He uses this amazing mixer. We had some different art pieces in the house, which was so beautiful. There he was making the chocolate cupcakes. He actually uses pure chocolate to make them. It was a beautiful thing to see. Yeah, there he was mixing more cakes. And that was me in the kitchen, trying to make the dough. I learned a few skills. I'm going to be making cakes for my family this Easter season. Yeah, thank you very much, Ismail. So we made blueberry cakes, we made vanilla and chocolate. Those were the main flavors of the day. And we used coconut milk as the topping for some of the cakes. And then we used the floral finish in other cakes like you're going to see in the videos coming up. The tourism industry is very wide, and this video that I'm showing you is just to motivate other tourism personnel to see that they can join. It can be the confectionery business, it can be the catering business, the hospitality business, because tourism is very wide. And because we had COVID last year, very many people are looking for alternative businesses to carry out, alternative sources of income. And this baking itself is a very good and lucrative business because very many people are having parties left and right, birthdays, graduations, weddings, baby showers, bridal showers. Name a party, there is a cake. Even travel parties these days have cakes involved. So there is high demand in the confectionery business. There is demand for donuts, demand for bread, demand for cookies. So when you learn these basic skills, I feel as a tourism personnel, you can always be able to supplement your income when we get crises like what we had last year. Yeah, otherwise let's listen to Ismail and see what he has to say.
Hi Lynett, thanks for coming, viewers and all subscribers to Lynett's channel. Thanks for coming along. I called her in to celebrate 4 years of Ismyls Fitness, and it was amazing that she made time to come and see us. Yeah, it's been 4 years and Alhamdulillah is what I can say. It's been tough, but we tried. We're now here. We are celebrating 4 years on the 28th of March is when I began my work in baking. I love it, and here we are. So all I can say is thank God we're here. And I did a floral and coconut decor for my friends and family and VIP guests, whoever you are, those that have been there for me from the beginning, and my favorite clients, the ones who keep coming back. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Keep coming. And I chose to do a floral and coconut.
Continue. I chose.
So I chose to do a coconut finish, a coconut and floral decor, because my work of baking makes me bloom. My work of baking makes me happy. I'm only calm when I'm baking. I'm only happy when I'm baking. I only meet people through my work. So yeah, I chose to do a floral decor and to allow us to bloom and to be happy. So look forward to more years.
So it's 4 years now. What are some of the highlights of these 4 years? Just give us 3 highlights of the 4 years that you've been in the baking business.
Highlights as in good things.
Can be good or bad. You choose.
Oh, they should all be good.
Okay.
No bad energy. Positivity all the way. So highlights. I've made more friends from my work. I've gotten closer to God through my work, and I make people smile through my work every single day, and that is why I love my job. I make people's functions special and everything they hope they would be. Alright, I'm done. Is that it?
If you've enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe over there. Hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this content. Have you tried to bake before? Is there any side business you think we can try out in the tourism industry or as tourism players? You know, what else have you tried out? What side business are you doing? Let me know in the comment section. How are you handling the post-COVID era? How are you restarting the tourism industry? Show me some love if you like this content. Check out more videos because I have more travel videos on my channel, more interviews with different personalities, and let me know which other content you would like me to produce. Thank you very much, and until next time, bye.